Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to register in the prop firm Sieg Fund. You enter the prop firm section, select Sieg Fund, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on Client Portal, and click on Register Now. To sign up, we enter the registration section, enter our first and last name, then the username, country of residence, and email address. In this section, you enter your mobile phone number, and below, you enter a password for your account. I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, you repeat your password for confirmation and agree to the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Register. We enter the sign-in section. We enter our email address along with the password and click on Sign In. We enter our account dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck!